Every year, Canada welcomes hundreds of thousands of new residents to our country, and then we introduce them to the grand Canadian tradition of taxation. Here to talk to us about what it means to be a new immigrant to Canada and taxes is Cleo Hamel, who's a Senior Analyst with H&R Block Canada. Hi, Cleo.
Hi, Patrick.
So if I've just moved to Canada, probably taxes are not going to be the first thing on my mind.
They're not going to be, but they should be. One thing you need to understand is that the Canadian tax system is based on residency. So when you move to Canada and you become a resident, you're now required to file a tax return.
And if I've earned money overseas before moving to Canada, what do I need to do?
Well, you have to report your worldwide income. That's one of the major requirements. But Canada has tax treaties with over 85 countries. So when you are filing a return in Canada as well as in a home country, there are some tax credits that you can share between countries, so the tax burden doesn't have to be as heavy or as daunting as most people might think.
If I still own a property in another country, do I have to report that to the CRA?
You have to report that you have capital property. You also have to establish a fair market value. So basically what that means is, what is the value of that home on the day that you came into Canada? Because at that point in time, when you come to Canada, we now track the value of that property as it goes on in time.
And what are the other benefits for new Canadians in terms of taxes and deductions?
Well, what new Canadians don't realize is they qualify the minute they come into the country to apply for GST and child tax benefit. So when they come into the country, they need to get a hold of the CRA, fill out the necessary paperwork, and they can start receiving some of these benefits. And then, like every other Canadian, they need to file annually to continue receiving that.
So if I'm a new Canadian and I need a little more information, where would I find that?
You can go to our website, HRBLOCK.ca.